It's Mr. J. 안녕하세요. It's Tuesday, 화요일, December 12월 10th, 10th, 2024. This is our intermediate video, okay? Today's news is debatable. 이거 보면 뭐지? Travel ban 무슨 말이야? 뭐 공항에서 못 나가게 하는 것 같아. 맞지? Let's see. Let's look at our word list. Investigation, president, travel ban, police arrest warrant, justice ministry, martial law, suspect, National Assembly, corruption, treason, prosecution, evidence, indictment. 이거는 발음하고 철저 달라서 조심. Indictment. Okay, but South Korea has issued a travel ban on its president, Yoon Suk Yeol, following an ongoing investigation into his martial law declaration. Wow. 그럼 지금은 윤 대통령은 한국 못 나가게 됐다. 왜? martial law, 그때 martial law 이야기했지, martial law 때문에. The Justice Ministry confirmed the decision as the police continue to gather evidence. 그럼 경찰이 어떤 증거 찾고 있다. Yoon is a suspect in cases of treason and corruption. Reports say the prosecution is considering an arrest without a warrant. 그럼 경찰 잡는 것 생각한다. 또 잡는 것 감옥 가게. Warrant 없이. This case has led to multiple indictments and discussion in the National Assembly. Many are closely watching how this historic situation unfolds. 많은 사람 어떻게 되는지 궁금하고 있지. All right, let's see. What is the investigation about? 여기는 틀린 답 세 개 있지. 나중에 맞은 것 생각해야 돼. What is this investigation about? 뭐 이런 investigation 조사하는 거 왜 하고 있어? Who is banned from traveling? 누가 한국 못 나가고? What charges are he facing? 왜 못 나간다? 뭘 잘못했다고? And which group issued the travel ban? 누가 이거 travel ban은 만들었다? And what might happen without a warrant? Warrant 없이 무슨 일 될 수 있노? Okay, 생각하고 있어. Alright, today's word, class, right? 우리 학교랑 연결하는 단어 한다. 이번 주 class. 근데 두 번째 뜻 뭔지 이거 보면 아시나? 일단 첫 번째 뜻 학급 class이지. Group of students in a school. 두 번째 뜻은 이거 품격, right? Elegance or quality. 다른 말로 class이야. 발음은 class. 발음은 별로 힘들지 않다. 그래도 우리 MRG로 하자. class. MRG 글로 class. 근데 이거는 음절 하나만 영어는 클래스 이렇게 하면 안 돼. class해야 돼. class. Example sentences. 학급은 our class is preparing for the school festival. 품격은 she handled the difficult situation with class. Okay, class. All right, let's go over to, sorry, I got too many things open. Our weather in Tongyang today, sunny, 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 right? Tomorrow is partly cloudy, cloudy, partly cloudy. Today and tomorrow, 둘 다 have a high of 11. Today a low of 2 and tomorrow a low of 3. So that's the weather. We talked about class and travel ban, the travel ban on Yoon Dae-Tongyong. I hope you guys have a good day and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.